Hi there, welcome to the first video in our introductory Python programming course. This course is mostly designed for absolute beginners to programming. No prior programming knowledge is required. We will start from the very beginning and progress towards more challenging concepts. All you need is basic math to begin. If you haven't already, please watch our What is Programming video. It gives some information that could make learning programming easier. The link to that video should pop up on your screen, and another link will be in the description box if needed. You can also find a link to the course playlist in the description box. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when new videos are uploaded. Now, let's talk a bit about Python. If you watched our past videos, this will be a refresher for you. Python is the most popular programming language for data science. It is also free and open source, and it is used in web development, AI, software engineering, and a various number of things. As for the course, this course will cover the basics of Python programming with a focus on what is needed to get started with data science. I just want to make it clear that in this course, we will not be doing data science specific stuff yet. We will cover only the necessary fundamental topics to help you better understand more advanced applications of Python. For example, for data science, these applications will be covered in future courses. For aspiring data scientists, we recommend that you don't spend too much time on the basics. The sooner you can start doing data science projects, the better, especially for those seeking jobs. This is the reason we just cover the bare minimum. Well, the bare minimum according to us. We do this so you can move on to the next steps quicker. If you later decide to do other things, for example, web development, you may need to learn additional basic topics beyond what we cover in this course. So what exactly will we cover? The basics or fundamentals in any case are very important as they are the building blocks for whatever you need to do. However, learning the basics can be a little boring or sometimes feel pointless. So let's link what we will cover in this course to what we will need as a data scientist in the future. In data science, we work with different data in different formats. The example mentioned previously was table format or tabular format. This is the most common format, or at least our goal or preferred format to work with. Here's an example of a table here. So tables are a collection of data entries that are arranged in rows and columns. We're going to need to work with the entire table and also its individual components as we go through the data science process. In this course, instead of looking at the entire table from the get-go, we will start from the ground up. We will look at the individual components and then build up to working with the entire table or other data formats. In future courses, we would like to explore doing it the other way around. Each option has its own merits, so why not? As you learn the basics, always keep the bigger picture in mind. Everything you learn can come together to help you make and do some awesome things. Here are the specific topics that we will cover. We will start by getting Python, either by working on it from a free online resource or installing it on our computer. Then we will work with Python as a calculator to get us to understand how to write and run or execute code in Python. We'll also explore Python functions. Doing this on basic math can help you focus on just the new stuff. Then we will learn about data types and how to work with them in Python. From our table, we can see that some data entries are numbers like age, and some are words like country. Different data types are treated differently in Python, and they have different rules. We will then look at data structures, which are collections of data. One is a list, which is similar to the rows and columns in our table. The other is called a dictionary, which can be easily turned into a table-like format. We will also learn how to manipulate these structures. Lastly, we will learn what libraries are and the different libraries that will help facilitate our next steps. How to work with the libraries will be covered in detail in future courses as we go through the data science process. So throughout this course, we will work on creating a simple rock, paper, scissors game. This game is the reason why I fell in love with programming, because we were given an assignment for this in university. So it was the obvious choice for this. It will incorporate almost all the topics to be covered. We will also do other coding exercises and provide examples for each topic, a couple of which are a node to what we will learn or do later for data science. We encourage you to code along. That may help you understand things better and develop problem-solving skills that are key to programming. You can also think about anything simple you would like to build, and you can build it along with us. This can be right away, or after you learn a certain topic, you can think of an application for it. This again builds the problem-solving skills that are key to programming. The end goal is to be able to create something simple with the basics and connect everything that you've learned together. We have come to the end of our video. The next step or the next video will be on how to get Python. So just a reminder, there's a link to the playlist in the description box, and we will update the playlist with any new videos when they are ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. We appreciate both positive feedback and constructive criticism. So throughout the course, please let us know what you think. Bye-bye.